Hi, Lip Yang here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn Come, O Thou Traveler Unknown. The words of this hymn are taken from the passage in Genesis where Jacob met a unknown traveler or warrior actually, and Jacob wrestled with this unknown warrior or messenger or something is even God himself, that he wrestled with God for a blessing. And so that's what the words of this hymn actually refer to. I think it's a beautiful hymn with beautiful words. I hope you enjoy this. It's a key of a C, and you're going to need your usual chords C, F major, G, E minor, and D minor. Okay, let's play through the first verse once through. Okay, this hymn is in triple time, so we'll be using our triple time strum, down, up, right? Come, O thou traveler unknown, whom still I hold but cannot see. My company before is gone, and I am left alone with thee all night. I mean to stay and wrestle till the break of day with thee all night. I mean to stay and wrestle till the break of day. Okay, grab your song sheets and let's play through the hymn once through. Song sheets are available from the link in the description below. Come, O thou traveler unknown, whom still I hold but cannot see. My company before is gone, and I am left alone with thee all night. I mean to stay and wrestle till the break of day with thee all night. I mean to stay and wrestle till the break of day. I need not tell thee who I am, my sin and misery declare. Thyself has called me by my name. Look on thy hands and breathe it there. But who I ask thee, who art thou? Tell me thy name and tell me now. But who I ask thee, who art thou? Tell me thy name and tell me now. Yield to me now, for I am weak, but confident in self So that was Come, O Thou Traveler Unknown. It's a little bit difficult for him to sing through because of the up and downs in the melody. But it's actually pretty beautiful. I kind of enjoy learning it. So hope that you enjoy learning it as much as I do. See you next week.